What's up, everybody? Quick video. Got a package from Hookup 1. Dan and I did get into it, so forgive me. Couldn't wait. And figured I'd upload a video quick. I did get this in. A black gold. Golden receivers. The Jerry Rice collection as it grows. Pretty sick. Two color. Two color. This one's got some marks on it, so. It's got a little watermark down here, so I'm going to try and get that off. But I like the design of this big time black gold, looks awesome. And real cool, so. Yeah, man. And on to the package from Dan. Appreciate it, brother. You have to send me shit. I told you don't send me nothing, and you did. Little punk ass. Just for that, I'm going to get in better shape than you. Steve-O. Just a few cards that should fit in your PC. Hope you're doing well, but not so well that you get in better shape than me, Dan. So, don't think that's humanly possible, man. I'm doing well, though, as far as working out. I've shed quite a bit of weight off, man. Still got a long way to go, but you know what? It's, shit don't happen overnight, and I think that's what a lot of people, why they quit, because they expect it to happen overnight. The first time I was on this journey type deal, I expected shit to happen quick, and it didn't. So that's that. On to the package, which is awesome. We got a Tevin Coleman Prism, which I didn't have any of this stuff, so it makes it even better. I like the look of Prism this year, big time. Tevin Coleman Rookie Revolution Prism. And then he sent me a Devin Funchess auto because I sent him one. Which is unnecessary. I told you I don't want nothing. But these cards look awesome. A Leaf Draft. So that's sick. Mr. Funchess. I sent him a game user request, but I don't think I'm going to get nothing back. Prism Justin Hardy rookie auto. I don't think that's numbered. But I did not have it, so. I'm just messing with you guys. 24/7 fraud monitoring. Security. No, it's not numbered. Wells Fargo. Together we'll go far. Still sweet. Justin Hardy patch auto 3 color of Inception. 3 color with a hint of white up there. So that's sick. And then an Aaron Murray out of SP Authentic. 2 color patch auto to 550. Which I think the Chiefs should give this guy a shot, just saying. Give the man a shot, I'm telling you. This guy's special. John Gruden said it, man. He called it way back. Aaron Murray's got a cannon of an arm. Great player. Great, dude's smart. But, yeah, man. My contest, I actually had 2 responses so far, which is kind of a bummer. I expected, I guess I shouldn't have expected anything, but only had 2 responses, which thank you to Packers Packers all day. Packers. Let me look. Fuck it. Giving these guys a shout out. Packers. Evergreen Packer? Evergreen Packer, yeah. And then the other guy, I forget who the other guy was. But yeah, man, you guys want to get involved in the contest, go ahead. I'll leave a link down below. If not, it's all good. Remember back in the day, man, I used to post contests and people would like, tons of people would get involved. Shit's crazy. But it is what it is, man. $50. First place, $50. And second and third place get some free autographs and shit. So don't be a bitch, man. Maybe I'm being a bitch. But that's all I got. Deuces. Thank you, Dan. Link will be down below to Dan's channel if you're not subbed to him. One of the sexiest men on YouTube. Just saying.